Preview.
Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from It's Fun Lunch Club and we are going to draw Godzilla.
Godzilla.
Godzilla and Kong think they are the
King
king
Kong.
of monsters.
King Kong.
Yeah.
Are the king of monsters.
Yeah. They think.
They think they are the king of monsters.
Yeah.
Okay. So who defeats whom?
Mega Godzilla defeats Godzilla
Okay.
and Godzilla defeats Mega Godzilla.
Okay, let's start drawing. We are going to draw
It's going to be the easiest drawing.
No, it's not going to be the easiest.
It's going to be.
It's going to be.
Yeah.
How are you so sure?
I think it's. Let me see.
We start with the face, mouth.
We are going to draw a Godzilla throwing nuclear power. Nuclear.
Okay.
Nuclear.
Nuclear power.
Yeah.
What is that nuclear power?
Just draw it and you will understand.
Okay.
And Godzilla super giant also.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Papa?
The hands. The legs. And the long tail. Huh?
Wait, Papa, wait. Why are you not waiting?
I'm waiting, just finishing the leg.
Wait.
Now I can wait.
No. Why am I getting confused? Oh, wait. Like this? And like this?
Mm-hmm.
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Now let's make what makes Godzilla look unique.
His thorns. Right, Papa?
Yes. We are done. Now would you want to color it?
Yeah.
Let's color it. We'll be using a
Gray color.
gray color.
No, dark gray.
Okay.
Name the dark gray. And a light blue. For the we forgot to draw the nuclear power.
That's not needed.
That's needed. That will not look. It's not looking like Godzilla.
Okay. So we'll make it. We'll color that by using red and yellow color. Okay.
No, Papa, wait.
See.
Nuclear is not in red and yellow.
Then how is it?
It is sky blue. It's sky blue.
I want to color using.
No, then it will not look like Godzilla.
No problem. I will color it like this.
Friends, he does not breathe fire out.
Then what does he do?
He breathes nuclear power.
My Godzilla gives off fire. Any problem with that?
No, okay. Yours should be a dragon then.
Yes, it could be a dragon.
Godzilla is not dragon.
By the time Parikshit does his drawing,
Papa.
you do not
Papa.
forget
Papa. Papa.
to. Yes.
Yours is a friendly Godzilla.
Yes, it is.
Why?
It is.
But why?
So by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, you can pause the drawing, slow the drawing, go back and make sure that you draw beautiful ones. Yes, it is important that you keep practicing every day.
Like me.
Because we come up with new drawings every single day.
Like me, I have drawn a beautiful one.
Yeah. Finish up the coloring. Are you done? Wow, Parikshit is done with his drawing and I don't know what is he trying to make people trying to shoot him.
Yeah.
Okay, my god, you have become so creative about your drawings. So we are done with the drawing of a gorilla.
No, Godzilla.
Sorry, Godzilla. Oh, we are making Godzilla. I forgot.
Gorilla.
So sorry.
Well, whose drawing is better?
Your drawing is better because you have done so many creative things over here. There's a man trying to shoot him. He's distracting the city and doing so many things, right? So,
So friend, just tell if Papa in the comments, does Godzilla breathe of fire?
no, he does not. I'm sorry for being wrong, but it's okay. You can color it right like Parikshit did. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Papa, see all the nuclear power.
Oh.